Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're now watching episode 6 of the Arunachal and Spiti travel series. Episode 5 released last week where I showed my journey from Delhi to Kalpa. Please go and check it out. We had finally reached Nako and we were here to see the frozen Nako lake. Most of the lake was frozen and few parts weren't, in which our Langda Jignesh fell into, and the entire trip he was trying to dry his shoes. In Feb, the entire Nako lake is frozen and there is snow all over, which was very beautiful. We were doing only a stopover in Nako and staying the night in Tabo. In Feb, we stayed a night in Nako and it can get very cold over here. I was wearing 3 layers plus 3 bed sheets on me, still I was freezing while sleeping. Point I'm trying to make here is that maybe you can skip staying in Nako and just stop over here just for the monastery and Nako lake.
बॉलीवुड से जब हमने एलियन मांगा तो उन्होंने हमें क्या दिया? जादू नहीं, धोखा, फरेब, एक छोटा नीला खजूर.
Wasting this time that I borrowed, running too fast for the sun, and my eyes they still burn for tomorrow. When I come alive, I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive, it's all for you. I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive, it's all for you. Waiting for rains with color, like I have done since a child. And my eyes they still burn for tomorrow. It might never come. I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive, it's all for you. I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive, it's all for you.
बेटे मौज कर दी, मौज कर दी वाह बेटे वाह, अरे वाह शेर तुम तो मौज कर दी.
तेरे मेरे लम्हे
had finally reached Tabo and the homestay was really cozy. As you can see, the common area was great. We were welcomed with some hot tea which was needed as it was really cold outside. We had nothing much to do, so we were just listening to music, had a couple of drinks and were just having our dinner. We were served with some really hot food and it was really tasty and felt like home.
Bruh.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
But these two had other plans and had a lot. They were just stealing the show. It was enjoyable at the first, but our Bhayaji went to the next level and messed up the entire night for us. Well, wanted to address a very important point here: to stay in control in these high altitude places. It will be a different experience, and if you're in places like Spiti or Leh, you must not go overboard. It is cold, I agree, and I'm all game for a couple of drinks to keep yourself warm and enjoy. But he just went the extra mile and made it difficult for all of us and the homestay people as well. It is important to stay in control, as here if you get sick or have bad headaches, it takes a lot of time for you to come back to normal. So the plan for the day was to first visit Tabo Monastery and then head to the famous Kaza. On the way we were going to see few bridges and the famous Lingti waterfall.
think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better off. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off. Baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone, but I'm just fine. I'm gonna shine. I'm alright. I'm celebrating.
This brings us to the end of episode 6. If you like this video, do let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and hit that bell notification.
I'm alright. Might be shaking, but
Stay
not
tuned for
still.
episode 7 where I will show you the places to visit in Casa. And we'll have a very famous guest in episode 7. So please do go check it out.